Next topic is communication protocol. Communication protocol. Communication protocol. Okay, so what do you mean by communication protocol? Communication protocol is a system of digital rules for data exchange within or between communication system. Okay, communication protocol are nothing but the rules designed for the exchange of the data between the communication systems or other communications within or between the communication system. These are nothing but the communication protocol. तो communication protocol में हम देखेंगे first one is serial communication protocol. Serial communication protocol. First one is serial communication protocol. So इसमें हम देखेंगे इसका डायग्राम. This one is MUSI microcontroller master. Second is ADC slave. Third one is DSC slave. DSC slave and microcontroller slave. Okay. This is the master slave configuration. Master slave configuration. This is the master slave configuration. Okay. In serial communication protocol, first one is I2C, that is inter-integrated circuit bus. Inter-integrated circuit bus. So what is the function of this I2C? It is a small area network connecting ICs and other electronics systems. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? कनेक्टिंग बस है जो स्मॉल एरिया नेटवर्क्स और अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सिस्टम्स को क्या करता है? कनेक्ट करता है. सेकंड वन इज इट अलाउज डेटा ट्रांसफर बिटवीन आईसीज एंड सिस्टम एट रिलेटिवली लो रेट्स. ओके, ये डेटा ट्रांसफर अलाउ करता है आईसीज और systems at the relatively low rates पे. Okay, then features of I square C. Okay, then what are the features of this I square C? इसके features क्या है? 2-wire serial bus protocol. It is a 2-wire serial bus protocol. Each connected slave has a 7 unique bit address. Unique 7-bit address. The bus allows an extension to 10 bits. Bidirectional data transfer. Acknowledgement after each transfer byte, and it operates on 3 speeds like 100 kilobits per second, 400 kilobits per second, and 3.4 megabits per second. These are the speed of this I square C. This first one is, that is 100 kilobits per second is standard speed. Second one is fast speed, and third one is high speed. 3.4 megabits is high speed. Okay, this is about the features of I square C. देन हम देखेंगे इसका फॉर्मेट ऑफ आई स्क्वेयर सी. दिस इज वन द व्हाट दिस वन इज master slave configuration of serial communication protocol. Okay, so this consists of MUSI masters, analog to digital converter slave, digital to analog converter slave, and MUSI slave, that is microcontroller slave. Okay, so next topic is I square C format. I square C format. फॉर्मेट ऑफ आई स्क्वेयर सी. ठीक है, फॉर्मेट ऑफ आई स्क्वेयर सी. this one is, this is the line of 1, start bit. This one is start bit. Then 7-bit slave. 7-bit slave. Then this one is stop bit. This one is 8-bit data. This one is 8-bit data, that is acknowledgement. ACK means acknowledgement bit negative. Bit negative. Okay, this is the format of I2C. This is the format of I2C. This one is the start bit. Then there are 7-bit of slave, 7-bit of slave address. 7-bit of slave address. This one is read write bit. Next one is read write bit. Then this and this one. This one is a acknowledgement bit negative. Again, this one is the 8-bit data, and this one is the stop bit. This one is the stop bit. Okay, this is the format of I2C. I2C. And I2C and okay, this is all about the format of I2C.